Welcome back, traders. Hopefully you guys had a wonderful weekend. Price action kind of just sideways mostly. We did get a little bit of, I guess, a retrace back up here from these lows. I'm not sure why my camera's not working, so there's that. Let me see why that is. So weird that it's not working. Hang on, boys and girls. Trying to figure out why my video is not popping up. There we go. Perfect. All right. Well, what are we doing? How's everybody doing? We're at a critical spot right now, I will say. Right, right at this bottom of this channel here. Right. Lower the volume a little bit. All right. All right, so we have our new weekly candle open, new daily candle open. Yeah, we didn't really get too far, man. We couldn't get back above 40K just yet. Maybe we'll yeah, we were right at the bottom of this range, man. So we were gonna see if we can pull above that 40K level. We already know that we're way oversold, right? For the weekly, we haven't seen these lows since really COVID lows, right? On the RSI. Cycle repeat, it doesn't look too good. It's not really promising anything very nice, unfortunately. You know, we could see this move back up to 40K. That's a possible scenario. Obviously, the bottom side of the range here might be tested if we reject up here this 41.3 area. I think it's possible if we really can't, you know, rally up and get above this channel here, right? This is the problem, right? So we're having difficulty even stringing together some sort of rally. Right, it looks very weak, unfortunately. S&P also looks not so good. We're going to take a look at that. We're looking at Tether dominance here. Tether up here at resistance, but you know, didn't really negate this candle too much. That's the only concern I have with Tether. Tether is in bullish territory, 70, right? We did trigger this long squeeze here last week. So yeah, the monthly closing today, and technically in a monthly breakout, and obviously has room to run here on the Stokes too. So that's the concerning part here for Tether over the next couple months. We could see more downside for Bitcoin possibly. We'll see if we can get up at least to at least touch and test this 40 to 42K area. That seems like a plausible area for it to go before it goes down more, maybe. So we'll see about that. All right, guys. That's kind of really it. I mean, in terms of price action, you know, we're oversold, no doubt about that. Daily and 3-day oversold. We're showing a bit of you know, a bit of bullish divergence here, right? 3-day chart. You know, we're towards the bottom of this RSI. We could see this pump back up. Problem is we're gonna end up making a lower high, and if we do, you know, where's that gonna be? And it would be probably somewhere around here, right around this 40K level, right? 40.7. That's kind of what we're targeting. All right. That's it, guys. I mean, once we make closures outside of this this channel here, you can see even this long-term channel, we could be looking at. Now I'm drawing something up here, you know, an M-shaped pattern, you know, from the COVID low to the top, maybe like an M-shaped 618, you know, kind of like maybe like a harmonic structure. This looks ridiculous, but I think maybe something like this. All right, don't be too alarmed if we do something like this, guys. I do think that this is possible. The monthly doesn't look too good. Stokes are pointed down on the monthly, as we know. So yeah, I mean, Short term, we might get a move up, right? Reset the oscillator, and then all the way back down, probably. Unfortunately. It's kind of what we're looking at right now. Yeah, sucks, man, but you know, short-term moves up probably. You know, weekly technically made a cross up, but we don't confirm that unless we go above 20. All right, and then we'll see what kind of short-lived move we get. I mean, if this is a bottom, that's great. That could be true. It's tough to really gauge right now because the monthly oscillators don't look good, man. I mean, they're just crossing down right now, and nothing good about that. The yearly chart. Yeah, the yearly chart's okay as long as you don't, you know, kind of bearishly engulf, you know, 29.6. So, yeah, I mean, that's really it. Yearly chart, meh. Yeah. Let's see. We shall see if we're near a bottom, man. I mean, I kind of hope we are. That'd be good, right? It just looks like we're gonna close below, you know, this 35K region, and we do that, we engulf this whole move up, right? So it just doesn't look too hot. I mean, you have this bearish divergence here, right? We made a higher high on price here and lower high on the momentum. I think we can go much lower than 20, guys. Yeah, I think we're looking at least 14K if we start breaking this. This went straight up, so we're gonna go straight down, right? Think about it. This doesn't look good. This doesn't look good. The macro doesn't look too good here. The smaller time frames look like we could see a pump maybe, but you know, daily Stoke's already up here. If we close below, yeah, like 34.7 on the monthly, technically that negates this. Yeah, that would not be good. That would not be good. Here's the S&P for you guys. This is what really looks like shit, okay? Broke this channel up. This is actually more of like a rising wedge than anything else. Alright, this is what's scary, man. This is really what's scary. Okay. I'm just gonna go to the S&P. And yeah, here you go. We're talking about probably coming down to this COVID low, man. That's a possible scenario. Really depends on the equities market, guys. Remember that. A lot of this stuff is dependent upon what equities do, and equities just, you know, we got this bounce here on Friday, but lower high, right? Lower high. Monthly is going to close outside the trend line unless we really rip tomorrow. Which, to me, this looks a lot like. I mean, let's go look at the tech market, right? The 2022 blow off top. Here you go, man. Right, the bearish divergence, the tech bubble, the bearish divergence, the 2022 tech bubble, and this could come all the way down to this level here and still be bullish, right? This is the problem, guys. This is the problem. Do alts have a chance for a mini rally? Yeah, they can if Bitcoin doesn't start dumping. Remember, it's all dependent on what Bitcoin does. TA goes out the window if Bitcoin starts to dump. So. And Bitcoin dominance looks like it's about to break up. Be careful on altcoins right now, man. If this thing really, if Bitcoin dominance really starts to rip, man, then alts are just gonna get slaughtered. Hey, if you guys are enjoying the content, remember to smash up the like button, hit the subscribe button if you guys are new to the channel. The rapid fire re-entry indicator here on the daily. You know, still short. Still short. Right? This looks like a rising wedge to me. Also. Just careful if you're trading long side right now, guys. That's all I have to say. You know, we're in the middle of nowhere right now. We're not on a support. We're closing outside. We made a rejection candle here. Just trade with caution, guys. Trade with caution. Or if you're me, I'm not even really trading this chop because it's not very clear. I'd rather wait for a clear break or a clear dump, or doing anything drastic. So yeah, bear flag it. So we got going on right now. A bear triangle showing hidden bearish divergence. I mean, doesn't look strong. I will say it doesn't look strong. Looks very weak. All right, guys. So, you know, doing some TA on some of these majors. You know, we could be in for. Obviously, once we start breaking these lows, it's pretty game over, right? We're gonna see. Let's see. Yeah, I'm thinking this median line here, or even this line right here, 14K looks about where we could go. To be honest with you guys, all right. Over the coming months, we could see something like that. So if we do get pumped, make sure you take some profit, all right? Like, you're in some bags. All right. Not a real hell of a lot going on in this market right now, to be honest with you guys. Just Starting a new week here. Could see more down. I mean, we could. We're at 39 on the RSI. We'll see if we get at least a touch of that top of the range there, maybe at 40K, but looks like it's struggling even to do that. So. Yeah, that's when we rally. I hope we rally hard, man. Looks weak. Looks very weak. Very weak. Certainly not saying we can't pump, but I keep saying the same things. You know, the next real range break would be around this 39K area, okay? Getting above this bear flag would be great. Getting above 43K would be great. CME gap already filled. Well, there's definitely a couple gaps, man. You don't always have to fill gaps. But as oversold as we are, we could see a move up to 40. All right, that's what I'm saying. You know, 40.7, 40.8K is possible. All right. So right now the hourly is technically long. Alright, I mean this is a rejection candle here, you can clearly see that. But it's trying to hold the lows for now. Okay. What else you guys got? Tether, like I said, Tether still has room to run, man, on the monthly here. It's in a squeeze, too. We will see, man. It doesn't look too good. Even the hourly here doesn't look good. This doesn't look good. ETH? Sure. Let's take a look at it. Broke the channel up, man. Broke the channel up. Like, broke the major channel up. Yeah, so I'm thinking maybe towards the bottom of this channel, like $1,000 maybe for ETH, it's possible. We really start to break down, right? $1,400, man. We retested the all-time high. Bitcoin really starts to break down. I'm thinking that's where we go. Okay. Are these long-term areas to be buying? Yeah, sure. But yeah, you can see that's not looking too pretty. It just looks like a bearish consolidation here. Doesn't look very good, really. All right. You're below, as long as you're staying below, like, you know, 28, 2900s. Really above this right here, 2750 even. Doesn't look too good. And you're up towards the range highs right now. You're getting close to the median trend line here. If you reject that, it's gonna cause more downside price action. Okay. We'll see. Could get a move up to the top of the range. You know, it could get a move up to like 2,800 or something. That's definitely in the cards. Not unlikely to see something like that, especially with how wrecked the RSI is here. Right? Alright, guys and girls. Sorry I don't have better news for y'all. But, it's just how it's looking right now. It doesn't look too pretty. When you confirm a breakdown of a major channel here, like once you come into the quicksand, right, on the Gaussian channel, like once you come into the quicksand in the Gaussian channel, right, lower high and then just dump, right? Takes about 5 months to get out of this quicksand, so hopefully it doesn't take that long. But anywhere below the Gaussian channel, you would be wanting to be long-term accumulating, long-term buying for sure. Right? You can clearly see that once we go into this Gaussian channel, it's bear market stuff. Am I shorting Tesla? No, I didn't pick any up, but man, that was a great short. That was a great short the other day right here. Beautiful. Right? On the break, broke it. Even the monthly, man, you start breaking this 790 level, you could easily come down to $300, man. Look at this thing. Double top, right? Double top on the oscillator. Oh, this is on the monthly. You can see the bearish divergence here pointing down nicely. Right? Tesla's about to get smoked. Yeah, I mean, even down to the bottom of these moving averages, you know, $400. Why not? Why not, man? Here you go. The first major level here for Tesla is $545. But why would you buy there if you know we can go into the golden zone, man? Definitely gonna go to the golden zone. Why not? Right, we could even come all the way down to $140. Make an M shape. Wrecked. Wrecked, Tesla. Wrecked. Right, the bottom of this channel down here. The 618. Then you're talking about a long-term buying opportunity towards the bottom of this channel. You guys seeing what I'm seeing, man? I know it sucks. Sucks to watch Node not be bullish, but hey. You got a rising wedge up here. This doesn't look good, man. Doesn't look good. Wow, we got 20 people watching tonight. Thank you guys so much for watching me tonight. Make sure you guys smash up the like button, hit the subscribe button if you guys are new to the channel, and tick the little bell. Sure, PM. Enlighten us. Thank you, Ryan. Appreciate you popping in, brother. The only thing that's going to go up right now are commodities, man. They already front ran Bitcoin, though. So gold's going to go up. Palladium's going to go up. You know, maybe some financials will go up. But overinflated shenanigans like Tesla... I don't know. Lots of these stocks look like absolute shit right now, man. Dude, even C Limited, yeah, this one. Starbucks even looks like shit. Starbucks is about to get smoked. I mean, up to you there, brother. I still think we can see like $5 for Chainlink. Just saying. What do I know, though? I think we missed the oil move, man. Oil already started ripping. Big time. Well, monthly looks like it still can go. Yeah, I mean, the monthly looks good. Yeah, I mean, you're good to hold oil for the next year. Looks good. Gold also looks pretty good. Actually, it doesn't. I take that back. We got monthly bearish divergence here on gold. I don't know. Maybe the divergence doesn't play out because it's such a bullish structure. Yeah. If it makes higher lows here, then that's good. I was thinking maybe one more leg down at 15 and then go, but let's see. Possible. Yeah, it's been a rough couple weeks for the markets for sure. Look at Palladium, man. Look at this thing. Look at that fucking candle. Jesus. I mean, look at the monthly on Palladium, man. Look at this thing. All the way at the bottom down here in a monthly squeeze. This thing's gonna rip, dude. How about corn? You guys like corn? There you go. Corn going back into a monthly uptrend here. 6-month chart. Was that a wedge? Was that a node wedge? Corn, man. Corn for the win. How about wheat? Wow. Pump it. Orange juice. Was it like OJ or something? What do you guys want to look at? Yeah, everything just looks pretty terrible, man. Robinhood wrecked. Total 2 rising wedge wrecked. There you go. Got the confirmation close too, man. This thing's just gonna fucking sit right on the fib right now. Monthly looks like we're donezo, man. Look at that. Looks like we're hanging on by we're hanging off a cliff here. Cliffhanger. Yeah, I don't have good news for us, guys. I'm sorry. Not good news. But yeah, at least we're able to identify this stuff, right? So you know not to eep into anything right now. And Cardano just broke the channel up, man. Cardano, once we confirm this, is probably a short all the way down to 42 cents. You know, you're gonna have levels here on into 72, and then get a bounce probably at 50, and then I'm thinking 40 cents, man, or maybe even on down to 30 cents, right where this, you know, Gaussian channel is. Possible scenario there, guys. All right. Yeah, I mean, that's what the chart's looking like right now, unfortunately. Yeah, so, I mean, ultimately, we're going to see this test at 72. Right, there's this candle body here, 3-month chart. I don't want to give financial advice, man, but, you know, obviously wait till you bounce off support and make a lower high. Short a lower high for sure. What's going on, CoinFox? How are you? INV, no, I didn't see it. What happened with INV? Is that like a fucking coin? Oh, this. Good for it. Yeah, I saw it. I saw it. Cool, man. Did you trade it or something? Yeah, have fun, dude. Have fun trading that stuff. How about the massive rising wedge on Solana? I mean, why would it go there? Because why wouldn't it go there? Because once you break a major structure, a major channel like this, okay, even if we're just fibbing from the low, okay, like the golden zone for reversals are in here. But I'm thinking something close to this is possible. If we really go bear market, man, this is what I'm thinking, okay? And it's looking like we might get that. So, Solana. So, first real target for Solana is 60, but we all know that that's not happening. So, I mean, you have... this is a massive rising wedge, man. It really all depends on what Bitcoin ends up doing, right? Bitcoin goes to like 15K, then we're gonna see Solana devastated, right? I'd say anything under below 30 or 25 is probably buying opportunity, long-term buying opportunity. But yeah, I mean, I'm targeting anywhere in this range, really. I mean, that would make sense. Tough to know where the bottom's gonna be, guys. You know. We haven't even tested this fib, so it's definitely going to come down here, without a doubt. True. I mean, I would wait. Anything under these Gaussian channels are usually long-term buying opportunities. Okay. And yeah, Solana's never been this oversold either, so there's that. But yeah, guys, I mean, just be patient. Just wait. Don't get impatient. Yeah, it would, bad boy. That's absolutely true. Got to pay attention to that stuff too. Yep. Yeah, you gotta be patient, guys. I think the end of this year we probably bottom or something, or maybe in the middle of this year. Cycles are definitely gonna happen faster now, faster and faster. Just so be patient. That's all. All we can be here is patient, guys. Alrighty. So Bitcoin not doing much of anything here. Maybe down a little bit right now. We could see continuation down, guys. I mean, it wouldn't shock me if we came down to 32K right this bottom here. Alright. I know we're oversold, but we might get like some sort of scam wick up here to reset the oscillator, and that's gonna be it, man. I don't really foresee this going up anytime soon. Not with monthly looking the way it looks. And stock market looking the way it looks. I think it's gonna be brutal next couple months. So just hang in there, guys. All right, hang in there, boys and girls. Just hang in there. Use some stablecoin protocols. Earn some cash. Hang in there. Maybe buy some palladium or something. I don't know. Take a vacation for a couple months. There's not really much to do when the markets are going south. Just to hang out. Wait for them to bottom out. I'm sure they are, man. They're gonna get wrecked there too. This thing's gonna go to like 12K. That's what's gonna happen. Because everyone thinks that it can't go back test previous all-time highs. It's never done that before. Well, maybe this time it will, because institutions are in, and that's what everyone believes. Oh, it's never going to do that. Oh, well, maybe it will this time. We've never seen Bitcoin perform in a bear market for the stock market either. So just be prepared for that. That's coming. Not trying to be bearer of bad news here, guys, but this is what we're looking at. We haven't broke the trading range just yet. We're still, in this range where 30K is the bottom of the range right now. So we haven't broken that. No reason to really panic just yet until we really do break these lows. Then we can free fall because we just went straight up, so we can go straight down. Okay, but just remember, the macro is not bullish right now. The macro is bearish. Right, the stock market doesn't look good. Oscillators are not looking good on the monthly here. The weekly, the weekly is in bearish territory. There you go. Weekly's in bearish territory. All right. All right, guys. If you guys have anything else you guys want to look at real fast, post them in the chat. If not, we are going to end the stream here on a positive note, hopefully. EDA is a good short. Yep. It's Node, bro. Node. EDDA, what's that? Some sort of stock? Yeah, I don't know, man. This thing's in a nasty downtrend. Spell. Not really too much chart data on this thing. And not really a lot of data on this one, brother. Unless FTX has more data. Yeah, this doesn't look good. Made lower lows. Made lower lows. I don't know about EDA, whatever that one was. I didn't find it. Yeah, everything looks like crap. Crap it. Look at it. It's probably dumping. Like I said. Okay, boys and girls, you all have a wonderful week. Make sure you guys join the Discord if you haven't done so already. Smash up the like button. Hit the subscribe button if you guys are new to the channel. We're trying to get to 10,000 subscribers by the end of this year, so please, 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 please help us get there. All right, thank you guys so much. We'll catch you guys on the